TurboAir is proud to introduce this astonishing, convenient device as a great solution in the refrigeration industry: self-cleaning condenser. This is revolutionary. A majority of service calls derive from the dirty condenser coils in commercial refrigeration. Busy marketplaces and restaurant kitchen spaces with heavy traffic accumulate massive amounts of dust. Dust is then drawn through the fan and builds rapidly in the system, preventing the condenser from properly releasing heat. This causes excessive energy consumption and increases the workload of the compressor, which will ultimately shorten its lifespan. This is why most refrigeration manufacturers require their customers to clean the condenser every 30 to 90 days. Otherwise, the manufacturer warranty is void. Needless to say, condenser cleaning is one of the most important procedures in refrigeration maintenance. However, manually cleaning the condenser on a regular basis is both costly and time-consuming. Whether you do it yourself or hire a technician, maintenance expenses and downtimes are inevitable. When neglected without proper maintenance, dirty condenser can cause major issues such as increased energy consumption, compressor failure, health inspection failure, and void manufacturer warranty. What if you could save both time and money and not worry about cleaning the condenser without any additional costs? TurboAir's patented self-cleaning condenser is an innovative feature that uses a fine mesh filter to catch the dust, while the rotating brush moves up and down to remove the excess outward and away from the condenser, effectively preventing dust from accumulating in the first place. This allows your system to maintain the highest efficiency while mitigating premature system failure. With TurboAir self-cleaning condenser, end users could potentially save anywhere from $200 to $800 for professional cleaning services per call, and save on repair costs related to compressors and other associated parts. And the most beneficial part is that TurboAir's self-cleaning condenser is a standard feature. Our customers can benefit this excellent option on most of our product lines without spending any extra money. Thanks to this convenient feature, TurboAir customers can enjoy our full warranty coverage for 3 years of standard warranty period without worrying about cumbersome maintenance requirements. TurboAir's top priority is our customers. We understand your business. TurboAir will continue to strive to provide better solutions to this industry, and most importantly, our customers.